Today I'm gonna be working on the Starlet. Gotta change out the spark plugs and these seals. They have little cylinders in my valve cover. It drops down and the spark plug goes in right between it. First we're gonna go stop by Tommy's house and see what's going on with him before I head down to the garage since it's on the way. I just realized that with this lens you can capture the whole headline right here. Yeah, so about last year I was over at Tommy's and he was redoing his headliner in one of his Civics, and I think he bought the wrong spray. I came over, we both did our headliners, and then the next day it just dropped. So I haven't had time really, or haven't made time actually, to drop the headliner in this car and redo and respray everything. I need to do that soon because it bugs me. It really does.
I think you don't even need it. Like that thing.
No, this shit is already like built in, dude.
Yeah.
You don't need all that shit.
Dude, that thing, I think, what is it? Max size looks like 128K.
That's crazy.
You can already record everything. Oh, my bad.
I need to drop my exhaust so I can see what gasket. I just gotta go on Rock Auto and buy it. Turn the Starlet around, change out my spark plugs. Hold up, we just gotta get some gas in the car. Gotta let it warm up real quick. Gotta let it warm up real quick. Loud, dude. Oh my god.
Dude, that thing's mad loud though. Oh man. It's a lot louder than my car too. I thought this shit's so loud.
Way loud.
Yeah.
Kenny's like, oh, that shit sounds like a rotary, dude. I wish I had a rotary. Yeah, that'd be nice.
It's
Picked these up from O'Reilly's for the Starlet. Crazy.
The one I have is exactly this shape, but it has this mount.
This shape, but that mount.
Yeah.
Single mount, or it's like extended.
It's like this big. It's a bit smaller. I think this is a. Oh, this is a. I forgot what kind of mic this is. Oh shit, you're recording.
This is cool. Oh my gloves.
In his garage, kind of started that first clip of his car rolling in and out. I guess that's the intro of the video.
Spark plugs.
I have my car back here. We're going to shoot it after. Or
Tommy's recording.
It's like in 2-3 hours. And then he's installing new spark plugs and distributor cap.
Yeah, cap and rotor and the seals, the spark plug.
Seal things, plugs.
Yeah,
Like dildos,
the little cylinder.
Yeah, like
Seals.
dildos.
Rock Auto should sponsor us.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
And he's starting a YouTube channel also, so once
Spark plug tube seal. Buy it on Rock Auto. It's like $1, $2 for you Starlet guys or 4K guys. This shit is worth it. Change that shit out. Also, I think Alex Leva on the Starlet page on Facebook sent me a link to buy and replace. I mean, a link to new tube seals, but I'll show you guys that in a minute. This cap, rotor. Cause all right, I think this is the right tool. I'll put this tool at Harbor.
Hey, Harbor Freight has good tools, man.
Yeah,
Well,
dude, everything's Harbor.
Somewhat.
Almost.
There's actually a difference between like snap-on and Craftsman sockets, dude. Snap-on sockets, they actually like cup around the nut like more securely compared to Craftsman. Craftsman, they'll strip around it, or yeah. There's a video of it online.
Look at that.
Damn, that shit's toasted.
Straight up toasted.
Yeah.
Can't capture that, can it?
Damn, this is smoking. Like your engine's vaping right now, bro.
That shit is straight black. And then you'll see what I'm saying. It's like around here. See that? It's like kind of like stripped.
Oh yeah.
So I have a link to the new one, but it's from Thailand. So I don't know how long it's gonna take.
Wait, so you just bought the seal, right? You
I
didn't
just
buy
bought
this?
the upper seal because they don't sell the bottom seal. I think I have to make my own.
It looks like a bullet. You guys can see right there, it's stripped, or it's kind of like jagged right there, so oil's getting the spark plugs on his Starlet.
Yeah. Is it hot?
No.
No?
No, I was holding for a while.
It's like a bullet, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got this seal right here, which is in here, but it's got a, what am I doing? But let me check.
Oh, this moved by Velcro. I didn't know Velcro. Oh shit, here it is. Yeah, it is. I only record when I know I should.
Dang, the new squishies, like rubber
It
bands.
even has the white powder on it. Look.
Where's the old one?
You guys know this is new if they're white, but if it's all black, then it's probably not new. Or it probably is new,
Dude,
but
these are
it's
so
water.
crispy.
You could probably crack them. Yeah, they're hard, dude. Yeah, look, it cracked when you first.
Oh, yeah, and then the new one. Bam.
You know what's funny? What that was. It's like a condom, dude.
Yeah. It's like a fucking open
You have
condom.
to add comedy to your channel.
It's like an open condom.
Oh my god.
That's how you put the seal on.
No more oil. No more oil's gonna get through that right now. Oh, you saw the Hawaiian girl poster?
Yeah, I think that's last month.
Oh, that reminds me.
What?
I ran into a dude.
Joe?
No, not that dude. a different dude at work, and then he said that I think that's how I feel about my garage sometimes.
Yeah.
That's why I always crop out my house door if I get in there on accident. Dude, sometimes I hate painting spark plugs because I feel like I'm gonna over tighten and strip the head. Yeah, I actually did that long time ago on the other car, an accident. Now slap the plug in. Now pull it lightly. See, it's airtight, or not airtight, it's sealed. Next one. Oof, suction. Suction.
Yeah. I didn't like the no brakes, so I put a disc on mine. Man. That one's tough.
I'd say like 30 pushing hard.
Like, it's bubbly, you get around something.
Yeah, you zip everywhere. So like I said, if you want to go faster, get like a bigger you can get them up to like 40 plus. But if you have that, you can need a license. Let's go past that. 149. Yeah. But how are they gonna know if you got 80? I gotta check it.
That's sick. Show them.
Alright, so spark plugs. Fucked. These spark plugs are in. Tommy and I found out that the wires were a little bit, what would you say, like open where the spark plugs?
The metal shims on the spark plug wires, they weren't making contact with the spark plugs, the tip of the spark plug. So on, I don't know what cylinder this is on this car, but when this car was running, it sounded like it was misfiring. So that should probably fix the case. But also his spark plugs had oil in it. This cylinder had oils in it. So, but now I gotta do the cap and rotors.
Cap and rotors, right here.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I think this is like $2-3 on Rock Auto. It has an old school color.
Oh, I got the old color. Damn, Bosch for $2. Can't beat that.
$3. Boom.
Damn. Now I just gotta.
Damn.
Now I
Go
just.
there.
Yeah. Wow, that's fucking easy.
Yeah.
How come mine can be this easy?
Boom. Rotor. Bosch.
Bosch everything.
Color matching. It looks faded just like the one that's inside of it.
Oh, this is the old school one. Damn, son.
Quick tune up for a few bucks.
$20, I would say. No,
Yeah.
Spark plugs are like $20, right?
Roughly, but that's that right there. Check that out. Everything is in. New spark plugs, new spark plug cylinders, the cylinder seals that goes in here. New cap, new rotor. Yeah, that's it. Just gotta do an oil change, and then well, next time I'm gonna do the oil change, and I'm gonna do the what's it? I'm gonna flush the coolant, put a new coolant. My little duck guy.
Well, I remember that. I forgot what anime that's from.
Oh no. Responsive now.
Yeah, the car sounds way better just because the spark plugs in the cap and rotor.
And like, remember like when we, whoa, goddamn, when I pulled out the the wires.
Yeah.
Like, some of them like, they weren't even connected onto the spark plug.
Yeah.
So I think that's why I was like, it was misfiring. That's why I was running like shit.
Yeah,
and like, it was less, well, smoking still from the exhaust leak.
Oh my god.
I'm about to die. But
Well,
like,
you guys can't see it. There's a lot of smoke here right now.
goddamn. It sounds It sounds better. I don't know how we could tell, but we can. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, I have the before and after driving, so. But car sounds a lot better. And it's smoky as fuck in here.
Smoky as fuck. Oh. Also, one of my parts came in yesterday from, I think, was it Thailand? Bangkok or something?
Bangkok, Thailand.
Bangkok, Thailand. Bam, came in this cool ass package. Let's see what it is. Ooh. OEM. Window. Rotating knobs. Rollers. The roller knobs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they're OEM.
Oh, power windows.
Power windows, man.
You ever seen those 4-doors or people with 4-doors, like they want to roll the windows all the way down, but they have to get out of the car just to roll all the windows down?
Hold on. I'm talk to you over here. Grab that.
Hold on. We good? I don't guess you hear that? The car sounds a lot.
Sounds like shit, but I can feel it. Like, you know, it's like more responsive and.
Hey, I have before and after footage for you.
Simple tune-up, $10 or 15 to 20 bucks with the spark plugs, but
That's a big difference, man.
Yep, I can hear it. I can smell it.
so
It's
you
actually
know,
not smoking that much.
it's not. Remember,
Yeah.
it's like black smoke.
Yeah.